Hello everyone, hope y'all are having a wonderful day. So I wanted to share with you a folio that I was working on. So first let me show you everything that I used to make the folio. So I had made some of these flowers with the Heartfelt Creations Poinsettia and Holly Cluster. So this is the die that comes in this set. I think you have to buy them. No, you can buy them in a set, I think. I don't even remember anymore, but I bought all three. I think you have to buy them separate. So I bought the die. I have the stamp set. And I have the shaping mold. Guys, these are awesome. Oh, I just love these. Okay, so I used that. And then I used some of the styrofoam glitter balls. And I've had this since last year. I want to say I got them at Hobby Lobby. And these are Christmas tree stickers from the felt stickers from Dollar Tree. Now, I don't use a whole lot of stickers, but I thought these were kind of cute. That's why I picked them up at Dollar Tree. And then I use the 2 and the 5 out of this set. This comes from AliExpress. And then from another die that I used was this poinsettia die that I used from that I got from AliExpress. I didn't use the center though. And then I used some of this glitter ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. And oops. And then I used some couple of stickers, a couple of the snowflake stickers. And guys, I went back to look for these because I really liked them. They're like foam stickers with glitter on them, and I couldn't find any more, so I'll have to look at another Dollar Tree. And then I used some magnets, and I got these from AliExpress. Man, it's been a while, and yeah, I got a lot of them. I don't know why I got so many, but I'm glad I did. And then I used some of these. I used one bow from this. From this pack. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby last year. And then I used Stay Freeze. I wanted to finish up this paper pad, and all I really have left are the cut aparts and I think one sheet of the paper, with printed paper. Okay guys, so let me move this out of the way and I will show you my folio and share my opinion on the folio. So I had never made one before and I wanted to give it a try. And this is my folio that I made. So this is a cut apart from that paper pad. This is a poinsettia that, I'm just going to say poinsettia because, you know, that's the way I like it. I got this poinsettia at, this is a, I didn't pull this out, but I want to say this is one, it was a pack, I can't remember. And then these are the ones that I made right here, these 3. And then I made the little holly leaves. And for the center, little berries, I just got some puffy, not puffy paint, but glitter paint. And I just, you know, tried to dot the little holly berries on there. And I thought, you know, that little cluster came out okay. And then these, of course, you guys have seen me use these. These are also from AliExpress. And then the 25, the stickers that I mentioned. And this little guy, I put a little bow on the top of his bouquet. And guys, if you'll notice that these bows have that rounded top. I don't like that, but they're ready bows. So all I did was I snipped them off to make them, you know, different. And then, yeah, that's all I used. So this is the front. These are the sides. This is where I used that, that ribbon from Dollar Tree. And the back is plain. I love that paper. So when you open it up, this is the inside. I was gonna put a couple of mats on here. I didn't, but I was going to. And I think the mistake that I made, well, I'll show you the mistake in a little bit because I'm pretty sure it's a mistake. So I just put this mat on here for a picture, and then you open it up. So it's got the 3 panels, and then this side, I just love this little guy. So this is 1 page, and I was gonna put a magnet on there, but I didn't. I had this little half of a Velcro dot hanging around, so I just I put that on there. And this opens this way. This is the rest of this page, and then it opens again this way. So you can't embellish too much on the inside, because that's where your pictures go. But we can easily put a picture here. We can put a big one right here. We can put a couple right here if we trim them down a little bit. And there's that side. And in the center, I made a waterfall, and that's where I used the little Christmas tree. And it opens, it does close with a magnet, so it opens that way. And I put some washi on the top of the little empty space. I didn't like the way it looked. It looked unfinished. So I went ahead and put some washi there, and then I used all the scraps for the pages, for the little waterfall, and I like the way it came out. Yeah, it turned out really cute. And this is the last page. I really did like that though. Okay, so mistakes. I think this should have gone on this side. Why? Because when I close it up, the magnet catches, but it doesn't catch very well. Either that, or I should have used maybe some stronger magnets. I don't know. So when I close it this way, it catches, like I said, like right there. I mean, I can feel it, but it doesn't catch very well because the back page kind of falls in because of the weight of these flaps. So yeah, I'm not so excited about this one, but it was fun to make. It was fun to decorate the front. Yeah, you guys let me know if that was a mistake. I'm going to make another one because I'm still not too sure about folios. I'm not sure yet. I didn't make it out of chipboard because it was my first one, and so it kind of, I'm not sure how I feel about that. See how it kind of falls to the side. So guys, if you make folios, I mean, it's real, the flaps are really sturdy. I mean, because of all the layering, and I can stand it up with no problem, but I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Let me know if I made a mistake on this second page. I'm thinking I did. I'm thinking this should have gone over here, and then maybe put that one over here so it wouldn't be as heavy. But then where do I put the magnet if I put the pages on this side? I don't know. Maybe I'll make one just to find out. But if you guys have any tips or suggestions, let me know. I'd love to hear them. But anyway, I do think it turned out pretty cute. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later. I hope you've enjoyed my the sharing of my very first folio. I'll talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys.